What's up and welcome back to another tutorial, and today we're going to create a dancehall beat which is a little bit inspired by an afrobeat. In this video I'm going to use a new plugin from Tiger Sounds which is called Pendora. It's a really awesome synthesizer which contains a lot of presets which you can definitely apply to your dancehall and afrobeat, so I highly recommend this one. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the plugin and just create an awesome beat. So let's go right into it. So for this beat we're going to adjust the BPM to 107 just at random. And I'm going to start off with Pendora. So Pendora is an awesome high quality plugin and it's pretty awesome, especially when you're creating afrobeat or dancehall beats. So we're going to select the presets, a lot of them in there. And I'm going to use the Kalimba nature preset. Pretty awesome Kalimba preset. And I'm going to create this melody in G minor, D sharp and A sharp. This is the chord progression. I'm going to add this F, C, duplicate this one again, remove those notes, and just copy these ones again. And we're going to use this D sharp 4 as the root note. Lower this one to F. We're going to use this G, and we're going to use this A flat. So this is my final Kalimba melody. I've added some notes in between, and I think it's pretty awesome to start with. Also turn up one octave. And now we're going to add a bass line. So I'm going to use Pendora again, and I'm just going to pick a random bass preset, this one, just copying the root notes, pasting it into this one. Already sounding really clean. And we're going to just add another piano. So I'm going to use the piano V2 and I'm going to use the German in it. Copy the Kalimba progression to this one. That's it. Alright, now I'm going to add Bassline. So I'm going to use Serum. So I'm using this simple bass preset. I'm also going to copy this one into this one. So it's already a really powerful bass line. So I'm going to use another synth from Pendora, and it's going to be a Pluck. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to copy this pattern into the Pluck, this one. A really great addition. So I think that's it for now. And right now I'm going to add some drums. So I'm going to start off with some rim shots. And I'm also adding this rim shot. I'm going to use already the start kick. This armed one, this one. So this is the final kick pattern. And I'm going to add a shaker. One shot. Take this one. So I've played around with the velocity of the sample, and right now it sounds like this. So I'm going to add some more percussions. I'm using my African Sample Pack Volume 1. Metal sounds, anvil. This one. And I'm going to play around with the sample. Like this. Adding this clang. First remove the reverb. bamboo stick. So I'm going to create that really typical dancehall pattern. So I'm going to make an adjustment to this rim shot. So I've moved this knob. So I'm going to add some more percussions. So I'm going to pick two random ones, this one and this one. I'm going to start off with wood 11. That's it. And we're going to add some swing, so around 20%. So this is the final pattern. So we've added a lot of percussions. So right now I'm going to do a little bit of mixing and create the final arrangement. So this is the final arrangement. And the first thing which I have to mention is that I've added a vocal sample from Arcade. And it's this vocal sample. Pretty awesome. I've used this EQ to remove some of the high frequencies, use an OTT compressor and some reverb. So I've added some more effects, added this shaker loop. And I've also added those to cut-off animations. So let's have a listen to the final arrangement. The vocal sample fits perfect. Really chill vibe. Made an adjustment to the bassline. Pluck is coming in. And from now on, the beat is basically repeating. So I'm going to show you the effects which I've added. So I've added a vocal sample, a white noise filter, and the clip. Bassline is coming in. And it's still burning up. The next part, the plug is coming in. Reduce some of the high frequencies using this automation. And I think that's basically it for this beat. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to check out the plugin Pendora. The link is in the description. And I hope to see you guys in one of my next tutorials.